And Afia Schwar upper class with His Excellency President John Mahama and then Reverend Owusu Bempah. Also Mahama, a bass Omanebo Amani Mutra Mohammed, Owuno, Okojino soon be Emerson Kano Vice President, every new day, opener, it's for Owusu, yes, sure. Sansuno. Afia Schwar upper class with Mama's master, we just set things, no, just set things, no, just set things, no. And I recognize Owusu Bempah. And no, you know, so them guys only save Mahama, and Empire, the Mahama, it's like a play class in Gonsu. I was up from Manabo was empty. If you ask the master, that was like a candle when you're minimum. I hype Penyah broke media. Let's say in India, over like video, not that about subscribe button, not make a key benefits and connect updates. Now, better the wife and their mammy, ever comments as she makes us so no, actually, video for us, and be ashy. A to back after said, I look got an crash, you know, Manabo, my enemy Mohammed, Ewuyano. I don't think Omo Equana, Omo Emuano, other say, Omo the flowers, Equato to Omo Emus, any other. Now, a honor. And there's a video being surfacing on the internet, and I hear Mahama, His Excellency. All tin is so crack. All tin is so. All tin is so crack. Not Vice Lady, Vice President, Agent and Chain. I say, Mammy, here open that there. It's not the boy with them. What does it? Oh, your good tin is so. Baby, more tin is so. Now, all Baba said, you know, then yes, and then. Oh, one more pana. Open with the whole pana gun and the opener. One more pana side eye. Said of them you read the tribune. Can't you say, I'll go, me a nest yan. No can do. What can is I'll go, me a nest yan. Go pana dear. Me a nest yan, me a day. Yes, no unity. Never says you know. Afia Schwar. I beg you to answer my Mahama just settings. It's in why I was a wooden settings. Yeah. Now, I can't Enra. Anna as they go to Bempah and ask one them. And then Okasa tin as I or no. Nanka accident in Mahama Kahumbi. They are only save Mahama as a minimum can't save Mahama. So only coaching Mahama, Jim, Mahama, uncle through plenty view, said David Bowie, say, or no save Mahama. Now, even on my neighbor, my crop is or Jenenqua, or from my neighbor, my phones, or my neighbor, my arm pick, and they say, or the cool year.
It will never die.
But near Nebransu,
but if it is not yet your time,
no, when you're making a basement taban Cassianas,
who God has brought to dwell under my wings.
So, raw woman, poor, that's happy.
Even if that person is in the mouth of death, that person will come out again.
I just said, unless
the person is disobedient, obstinate, hardened heart, stiff-necked. Now, as they were performing their rituals and they were ascending in the spiritual realm, Elijah was drawing them down. I said to him that I've made several calls.
For 3 months.
I had been calling somebody to come and see me for 3 months. Because something is about to happen.
3 good months.
So for 3 months, I had invited this person to come and see me.
Weekend maybe Papa.
He will say, "Oh, Papa, I'll come this weekend."
Penyah
Papa, and he kept tossing me about every now and then.
More bintina baby kase enti adifo na hu. Unnim dia woka. Unyam nnusu nunum tontene kankan. Opa bowra mpani num na hwe se wonti biribia. Me ka cha bishop say, "Papa, catch up any someone to not plane. I move free Accra, say a Kotamale, Accra, say a Kokumase, Accra, say a baby. And Tessa, young Tiasempa."
So I
Archbishop, I am a witness.
I said to the Archbishop, he will bear me witness on this. I said, please say to him not to sit in any aircraft moving from Accra to Tamale, or Accra to Kumasi, or Accra to any destination within.
When you said yes,
do you know what has happened? It's not the last. It's not the end. I will end it here.
Let's
show due regard, due honor,
me
and
papa no
respect
masofo yɛmfa ne die
to
ne
men
bio
of
mu
God. Men of
Ghana
God,
for
my fathers
and
in the
ministers
Ghanaians and ministers. Ministers in Ghana.
me sofo Penyah, me grandfather, me modin yi obi so no obi nya mpaebɔ sanse wa hunu biribi nipa na me grandfather yi no so ne asomasi bi anya mpaebɔ no sofo ne frasomasi on fa ne call ofra na on fa ɛna de besi anya si pran aya na mu fi sɛ yɛ ka ne kɛkɛ a obetumi twe camera na odidi abu sopatem abronye na odi abu sopatem na nkrofo ayedi osofo ma me mfansi wa ha na me bo yafu hwe muntie me nyame asofo wo krom ha.
Now indeed there are anointed men of God in this nation.
Minim dia me papa Victor Osei aka kire me.
I know what my father Victor Osei has said to me concerning this nation and other things. Do you know the things that men of God in this nation see?
Here near me be afei me da simple a bomb spiritual father. Thank you keke. Thank you keke. Afrisa nesai se nyanya me honhom na ahya ne ma muhia mo a obeye adenti na mo yesa ade no se muhia de a na mo hwehwe yen kitikiti mo seka wi a aya yen hia hwe afiri obi a ho but here osofo obi a wonyame chusu no a oye ken nyame chusu priest and a prophet a can ho adentra o me bia e woni nyame but a nyame ni nyina hye nyankopon e fe universal father na se e no me bia e wo dombi e ku bi a o nyame yi wo mo a susum o mu di o man nanim a honam mu umfa wani hunu e ye fact
enzi no kan Afia Schwar se masa Bempah we nyame ni mo nyame ja wachi die ache nyame wo ma ye ache kura nti ja azan concert no na nyame ni mo
country verse
I'm sure you'll be shocked. Finally mene Archbishop Kasai
finally had a conversation with the Archbishop
and I'm catching Archbishop say
and I said to him
me fra ma fra me nyaudia
I said to him that I've made several calls.
Me frɛ obi for 3 months.
I had been calling.
Enti nyankopon ka kire 3 months ago. Se plane be hwe ase. Ena because u frɛ obi a won fenti sofo one month pa ye ntwam. I like the way you people have reduced God into. I like it.
Somebody to come and see me for something is about.
Now, with all due respect to the family, said you Ghana for us for ye bibi besi no. Bibi na ne besi na yon kola 16 na no bewu na empenny 48 na omewu no. I'm just asking. With all due respect to the families involved, I'm not trying to rob anybody in the pain. But in Kola 16, no, they all died through accidents. Nipa 8 and also they died through accidents. And they said that we bibi besi na accident be accident be accident be. And Kola 16 no mu ye no mo nam fom mo negligence asofo mo be ma politicians aye kwan no na mo de aye nkom hye nkwase asem bibi besi every accident be accident, every pente be pente, every accident is accident. And to say the year treaty ministers need the end to say the BBSC HM Kola need the mimi who say BBS 8 the number 8 cannot surpass the number 16 in my mind. If 16 people die and we don't treat it as tragedy, we will not treat 8 as tragedy. I'm sorry. And I've said it. Me a woman de ya be ya pa ya Dr. Mutala. Uye no free wa. Any soldier for na no mu no. Omo de ya me ya. Because nyame no be twa nkofo we kan na soldier for na nka ho. Uyi wo mu free wa. I don't see this as tragedy. I see it as wicked people. Obia suma wo mu so mu nkonom ko sesa galamsey din. Eno makubu. Said the NDC ni bi beka say obi ansuma nkola no wa sorry dem eno makogu no ya suma wo so mko sesa galam say bi din ana ena bibi besi na me friend 3 months enkola ni wo ni nya tragedy ampanyifo ni wo ni enutra na druji me se wo ni de ya me ya e soldier from here nsana omundi Ghana sky ye do omo akotwam no omo maka ne de enye tragedy eye testimony. I'm saying it. Senkolano mowuno any tragedy. If 16 children dying at a go, it's not tragedy. I am not going to treat 8 grown-ups dead as tragedy. They all died in an accident. Accident, no accident surpass accident. Accident, B-I-A-C-C-I-D-E-N-T, period. Yentian Commission.
3 good months.
So for 3 months, I had invited this person to come and see me.
We can remember here, Papa.
You say, oh, Papa, I'll come.
Papa, we on the 31st. The best organ in Owusu Bempah. And you know the Yankopon Trocomano. 31st of December, Madaroma. The best organ in Owusu Bempah no Trocomano. And you know Trocomano. Me pacho. 31st. 31st. The best organ in Trocomano. To where be child like I say, me friend will be 3 months, sir. 120 before Owusu Bempah be jina na sorry them. I can say chief imam. Baby wuna papa na wuno. Wakra na was ngamuso ya zantana. I can say chief imam be wuna papa na wuno. Oringi will be. Or the permission will be home. And some of us say chief imam be who. Ah? Mamo, wait, and come she wait, a yes, a total settle.
Finally.
Oh, yes,
Oh,
Finally, I had a conversation.
wait, I am true.
And I'm catching up.
I said to him,
Mamma Chairman on country. And wait, I am and
I said to him that
I am
I've made several calls.
me co training, we don't start at 9. Me free a bit.
I've been calling somebody to come
Well,
and see me
boy,
for
Sammy Jemfi no friend won't feel. Well, friend Sammy Jemfi on one South Africa would it. Aye. On South Africa, Sammy Jemfi, there's 2 weeks be a walk. 1 year could be. Make and grab would be a money pacro. 1 chance be 2 weeks be a woman South Africa. Emmy echo far almost a press. Me mama be see for me press na mama here ko fa wo mo se press me patro e ya zanta na me si Owusu Bempah na be ka kire ye se ye nim ye to abama do Mahama di be si wo Ghana no ye ntimi ntina san komhye no Owusu Bempah hye no na free nyame ho e free ho no de ode be nyina no e sentence Sam come she we no Owusu Bempah be share no na efiri nyame ho na de esi bia nso kire se efiri nyame ho sam come she we
no mo shran magama be president bi ma enye be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntra Ghana
sam come she we no sam come she we
no mo shran magama be president bi ma enye be sisi Ghana no obi antimi ntra Ghana mo pa mo date nto
sa kwan no entu de nkwamhye me beboni na mwatie ena me frɛ obi wontimi nkɔgye obi church member mo so hallelujah uyo odifo abompa ye na wo so president MP wo wa sorry dem hallelujah hallelujah entu no mo mfi no ai entu wo mo mfi no ena wo gina accident so e dia be hyehyɛ adwuma na me ni send this for no mo ye drum ba me adwuma wura wo hyehyɛ adwuma na mgyina kyana ma hene sei me try picture mama katreve go and sit down into the muntie prophecy ye me be bo prophecy no full one mama na mo hu say aye adwuma
someone to not playing. I move every Accra, say Kotamale, Accra, say Kukumase, Accra, say Kobebi, and Tessa, so I Bishop, I am a witness. I said,
I said, please say to him not to sit in any aircraft moving from Accra to Tamale or Accra to Kumasi or Accra to any destination within.
When you said yes,
do you know what has happened? It's not the last. It's not the end. I'll end it here. Let's show due regard, due honor, and respect to men of God, men of God, my fathers in the house, Ghanaians and ministers in Ghana.
Me suffer Penyah, my grandfather, me modin, you will be so no being pieball. Since we will be.
What is Owusu Bempah so grandfather?
You know, so I assume and young pieball.
What is Owusu Bempah so grandfather? Hold on. Mo baby as what is Owusu Bempah so no or so for be or no so for Penyah. Me patron you Owusu Bempah na yes for Penyah no te Ghana na. What is Owusu Bempah so no or so for be or your grandfather? Me patron Ghana na mobile no. What is say Owusu Bempah e bie na no say apart from ono so for be so for Penyah no. Na video say the grandfather. Wo dey mo me be kiss na.
Ena de besi anyasi. Na na mu say e kan keke. I will bet me camera. No did you abu support.
Good morning. Oh, me never see. Me pacho abronye di Archbishop atem no. Abronye plain latinare. Ah? Abronye ne di Archbishop atem. Me pacho Dr. Mutala we di Archbishop atem. Dr. Omane Boama we di Archbishop atem. Enti abronye di Archbishop atem a na Dr. Omane Boama ku won. Sa abronye odi Archbishop atem a na Dr. Omane Boama ewu. Na mpacho Archbishop na nkasa ne ba medidi na temo ma ema emuhu ya na nka Williams no ono ane ba wo meka nche ese ne papa ye criminal ne ba na beka ne ba na ne kan na no no obi wo danka na busuem ye nto aso mesi we acceptance ye be breaking it down
Osofo
iwi am ko jare me ko
na
aduma
me bu yes
me ko training
hwe muntie me
Now, indeed, there are anointed men of God in this nation.
Nyame asofo wo Ghana ebini prophet Uche Nyame asofo no mo Ghana ebini prophet Uche ebini prophet Ojaba ebini mamalistic hwan bi meka kadmeni meka ya meka achiro Nyame asofo no wo Ghana no ebini prophet Uche Eric Boahin because ono de oka ye bia bem Ojaba your can ye be our card, ye be seen what you prepare see. When Yamia so for our Ghana, no, a bini me papa, Reverend Obi, Mopa Sofono, aha, only Yame so for our Ghana, Mama Lestic, Yame so for our Ghana. What I say, Prophet Roger, Yame so for our Ghana. Ena Afia Schwar nyame so for Ghana. Omo makenina a settings business. Peka krami ni. Ni enka de behia.
Me papa Victor Osai aka kire me.
I know what my father Victor Osai has said.
Afọ man hu ne niam bi.
Omo bua.
Ubet ma chira wa dwene ama me e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Media. Akra.